I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, immediately the powerful King composing. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was long, but you needed fruit. You saw him bathing on the road. Her beauty in the moonlight covered you. She tied you to the kitchen chair. She broke your jaw and she cut your hair. And from your lips it Judy, hallelujah, hallelujah, well, baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before. Hallelujah, I've seen your flowers on a mountain, and love is not a victory one. It's going needs some broken. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. And it's not a crowd that you hear tonight. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's going it's a broken. Hallelujah, 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 Thank you. You don't really care.